Our topic of discussion. What is our topic of discussion?
YouTube.
YouTube. Okay, a very good topic you have chosen. Let us know the meaning of the word YouTube. What is mean by you? Kausiki, you tell me what is the meaning of you? This is a very simple question and you are taking too much time to answer it. What is the reason of this? What is the meaning of you? You. Can't you hear me? Rai.
To me.
You. What is
To me
you?
said.
Yes. To me. Yes. To me. Okay. I think I have heard as to me. To me. Is there any problem? Can
You মানে তুমি.
yes. Kausiki, can't you hear me? Kausiki? Kausiki is silent. I think she cannot hear me. Rai, can you hear me?
Yes sir.
Okay. You. A tube. What is mean by tube? T-U-B, tube.
নলের মতো দেখতে বা সরু জাতীয় কোনো পাত্র।
নল, সোজা কথা নল।
শেপটা সরু।
কেন? নল. Any type of null is called tube. Almost all of us are familiar with these two words, but YouTube, this nominal compound, was not familiar until I think until I think 2008-9, when internet came. There was a channel YouTube. My YouTube channel was set up in 2012. Then internet was not so easily available. It was very costly. I made my account on YouTube in 2012, but I could not grow it. There are very many reasons for it. Kausiki, can't you hear me? I think.
হ্যাঁ স্যার এবার
Okay. Have you any YouTube channel or YouTube account?
No sir.
Rai, have you any YouTube channel?
স্যার কিন্তু ইচ্ছে আছে।
YouTube channel making is a very easy thing, but uploading something in YouTube channel is somewhat is not so easy. First of all, you need some content. Content means you need some audio, you need some video, and you have to combine them, you have to make them video, and you have to upload that content, audio video content, in YouTube. In spite of being a computer acquainted man, from 2001, I was not so familiar or very smooth in uploading video in YouTube, but in the last 2 months, possibly 2 months, I have been very accustomed to uploading in YouTube, because I think this is the opportunity God has given me. In the last year it was the lockdown during this period, but I could not use it to upload YouTube. If I could have done that, it was very blessing to me. But however, I could not think that corona pandemic will continue so long. Of course, I could not think this is not true totally. No one could think that this will be a regular feature of our life, more or less. And till now, it is very, it is not usual for us to come in contact, even in our school. So, digitalization or digital medium has been increasing day by day, and we have to be acquainted with it as much as possible. And as you, the students, are the victims of this great situation, because your life is growing, you are losing the time when you will be able to train in many things, but you cannot get that very opportunity because of the direct contact with the teachers, with the process of learning. But I think this situation should be properly used by us, so that we may develop ourselves to the changed situation of the world. Life is ever changing. জীবন সবসময় পরিবর্তন হচ্ছে. I think you don't know what is the meaning of জগৎ. In Bengali you call it জগৎ. Do you know what is the meaning of জগৎ? বিশ্ব জগৎ আমরা বলি. What is mean by জগৎ in Bengali? Do you know? Changefulness or changing, change, changefulness or change or transitoriness is the meaning of the word jagat. Jagat মানে পরিবর্তনশীল. Everything in this world is always changing, constantly changing, and the process of changing always happens, whether we notice it or not. আমরা লক্ষ্য করি আর না করি, every moment of our consciousness, some changes are being made by nature. In every moment, every second, you are losing your present state. So we should be acquainted, we should be familiar with this changefulness of life. So you should be accustomed, you should be habituated to learn through digital or online medium. Learning process involves audio, visual things. Of course, in learning process we have to use all our sense organs. Suppose you want to get some knowledge about the characteristics of matter, features of matter, বস্তুর বৈশিষ্ট্য সব শিখতে চাও, and there is matter everywhere around us. We have some common experiences, there is no doubt about it, but there is some close contact with needed. That means we should touch the matter. However, digital media or online plays an important role, though it is not the only way of learning. So you should be acquainted with it, we should be habituated with it. However, I am saying these because these are the background about the importance of YouTube. YouTube was not so much famous a few years ago. At first, possibly 4 friends of America made this website or channel, and Google is the most important, most popular search engine in the internet world, and that very company Google has purchased YouTube channel, and now YouTube channel is their is in their possession, and they control it. I think and YouTube channel is the second search engine in internet world. Google is the first, and YouTube channel, whose owner is Google, it is their second search engine. That means search engine means this is a way by which you can search anything in the internet world, online world. Actually, what is the relation between YouTube and our learning, YouTube and our entertainment, and YouTube and any type of queries? The relation between these things is that we want to learn something, and we need some information. Information may be theoretical, information may be about a practical thing, when it is happening. And as YouTube channel is a video uploading channel, so anything what is happening, that may be recorded in video form, and that may be uploaded by anyone in the YouTube channel, and that may be viewed and enjoyed by other people, millions of people. You will be surprised to know that in the last about 2 months I have uploaded about 87 or 90 videos on our beloved Thakur Maharaj Nigamananda Paramahansa Dev, on my English teaching, etc. Mainly these things are the subject of my YouTube channel, and you will be surprised to know that in 2018 I uploaded Thakur Maharaj short biography, and its length is just 8 minutes some seconds, and from that 2018 means 3 years, and from that in the 3 years that all video has got more than possibly 8,000 views, whereas my total views is about 16 or 17,000. in these years. And now every day about 100 views are on that very video. I cannot imagine what is in that very video, and that video was shot by mobile phone, and it is the narration of Thakur Maharaj's life so it is a very short biography of Thakur. And now in the last about 1 month, my daily views in 24 my views in every month is about 2000, and daily my views is about in average 100 above. Now 200 above after during the last 1 week or etc. Total views, daily views about more than 150 or 200 about. And of these views, Thakur Maharaj short biography is viewed by about 100 people. And this is the importance of some videos. These videos goes viral somehow somehow, and I don't know, but many of us know why and how such videos goes viral. And if you start your YouTube channel, you don't know, you must have some content, you have to upload it, and you will be know that I have uploaded a video about 3 or 4 days ago, and it is on spelling, and I am very surprised that there is no views in that very video, whereas I uploaded a video yesterday, and it is about 30 videos in one day, and I cannot understand how it happens. So the algorithm is a term in computer world, and how and in what way why the viewers like these videos is not fully known to us. We may guess what is the merit of these videos, so that people people enjoy these videos. I have uploaded a video named Dharma Ki, Mind Control. These are the short videos. They are about within 8 minutes, 10 minutes, but somehow they goes viral. However, people have some queries. People have many questions in their mind, but they can't get answer from them. So they search online through the search engine, and one search engine is Google, another search engine is Google means Google Chrome, Google Chrome. Another search engine is Firefox, another search engine is Opera. There are many search engines in the internet world, but Google or Google Chrome is the best and used by most of the people, and YouTube is another search engine. And internet has been the greatest source of learning to many of us. Why YouTube should be used to should be a part of our education. YouTube means not only YouTube but also online, because we the teachers, the living teachers, cannot give many things. We have some capacities, but internet world has immense capacity, and they will provide you something in any form. It may be in narrative form, it may be in video form, it may be in website page form, and this is invaluable, amulya. If you really want to learn anything about anything, I think there is hardly any matter in the internet that cannot be found any, at least some information will be available. And whatever I have learned in the last few years is nothing but the internet or online. From 2012 or even before that, actually after purchasing my computer from about 2007, I have purchased my computer from 2001, and after 2004, 5, 6, 7, I think after 2007 internet, I have used internet. I had land phone also here in Amtola. I think from then I used internet, and with internet I have great relation, but I cannot use them fully because of various reasons. However, the present trend of our life has showed that without internet, without computer, without knowledge of digital world, you cannot prosper in life. You cannot go without this changing or change situation. So those people who somehow criticizes adversely against these things, they are actually backbenchers. They don't know the meaning of life, and actually they want to be static. They have no progressive attitude. And in the last 20 years or 25 years, I have fully observed that this is the true statement that we should be progressive. Without our great thought, without our progressive thought, we cannot survive in life. We should be adapted with the trend of our life. So you should be mentally prepared so that you can be familiarized with the digital world. And YouTube is the most effective media, social media. This may be called social media. WhatsApp is a social media, Facebook is a social media, Instagram. There are various social media, and let me catch the phone. হ্যালো, হ্যাঁ বলো। না, আমি এই সবসময় ঠাকুরের কাছে প্রার্থনা করছি, বাচ্চাগুলো গেছে সত্যি সত্যি যে কোথায় কি যা ঠিকঠাক করে যায় যেন, ঠাকুরের কাছে প্রার্থনা করেছি 2-3 বার 4 বার। রান্না করতে করতেও মনে করছিলাম। হ্যাঁ, না, বৌদি ওই গড়িয়ায়, আমি আমতলায়। তারপরে ফিরছো তোমরা নাকি, না কি খাওয়া দাওয়া হয়েছে? না, সেটাও আমি ভাবছিলাম। আমি যখন রান্না করছি আমি বলি আমার এখন এখানে না থাকলেও হতো, বাসুর বাড়িতেই নিশ্চয়ই খাওয়া দাওয়া করছে। যাই হোক, এমনি ওরা সব ভালো আছে তো? সকালে ভক্ত মানুষ তো, ওরা তো ভক্ত মানুষ তো। আর তোমরা এখন কোথায়, মানে স্টার্ট দিয়েছো না কি কি অবস্থা? হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। কজন তাহলে টোটাল কজন গেছো, টোটাল কজন গেছো? তাহলে 8-9 জন হবে, তাই তো? আহ, হুম হুম কি? হুম 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 না না, আমার শোনো, আমার প্লেন সেট ফেট নয়, আমার এমনি অ্যান্ড্রয়েড ফ্যান্ড কিছু নেই, আমার কাছে 2-3টে এমনি সেট আছে। এবার, ওগুলো ওগুলো নতুন battery না না, ব্যাটারি কিনে নতুন সেট করাই আছে, নতুন ব্যাটারি আছে, আমি ব্যবহার করতে পারছি না, আমি নতুনটা এলে আমি 3টে ওকে বার করে দেবো, দুটো দুটো নতুন ব্যাটারি কিনে করা আছে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আমি আমি জানি 2-3টে ফোন আছে, আমি নতুন ব্যাটারি সেট করে রেখে দিচ্ছি, ব্যবহার করবো বলে করা হয়নি, এবার এসে নিয়ে যেতে হবে, ঠিক আছে? হ্যাঁ 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 হ্যাঁ, আচ্ছা আমি ওগুলো সব জোগাড় করে রাখবো, ও যদি সবগুলোও নিয়ে যায় আমারও কোনো সেরকম আপত্তি নেই, দিদি হবে, ঠিক আছে? হ্যাঁ, না আমার তোর বৌদিরও ফোন ওই 2-3 দিন খারাপ হয়ে গেছে, স্ক্রিন ফিন নেই, আমি তাই বলছি, আমি বলি, না এখন পয়সা করি নেই, দেখি এটা ওটা ওইরকম বলে আটকে রাখছি। না 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 না, ও আমার আমার 2-3টে ফোন আছে, এবারে কোনটা কি, এবার কোনটা ওই কী সব আছে না দেখে নিতে হবে আর কি, চালালে চলবে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, দেখ তোমরা ভালোভাবে আসো, সব বৃষ্টি টিষ্টি হচ্ছে শুনতে পাচ্ছি। হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, জয় গুরু জয় গুরু। হুম হুম হুম।